Hello everyone, welcome to Chirag PostgreSQL 18 DBA tutorial. In this video, we are going to learn how to install the PostgreSQL 18 on Rocky Linux. So we'll go through the step-by-step setup and remote access. So here we have a complete step-by-step guide to install and configure Postgres 18 on Rocky Linux 10. It includes repository setup, installation, initialization, service start, password setup, remote access, and firewall and testing. So if you are using the real server IP and password, so change it immediately after the login for the safety. So I'm not using it. This is for the testing. In your case, I'm just warning you. And there is a, Postgres 18 installation of Rocky Linux and full guide. So connect to the your Rocky Linux server. So my server is running with the VMware workstation. Here you can check there is a Rocky Linux 134 is there, 135, two servers are there. So both the servers I'm going to access for the remote connection also. So CMD, okay. So by mistake I have shut down this. So let me start again. So I'm accessing both the server 135 also. So first servers, let it start. Okay, started. Now I'm going to access this. So this is my server. So whenever you are starting uh, working on the Linux, must update your server packages. For the both the servers, I'm going to update. So this is the complete. Now next is add PostgreSQL official repository PGDG. So install the PGDG repo package. So this is the package. I'm going to install in the both the server. So this is my first server. I'm going to give the name. So server one. This is the 134, and this is the server two to 135. And giving the name of changing the tab color is the red. So done. Now disable the Rocky Linux built-in Postgres module. So run this command on the both the servers. Next, finally, we are going to install the Postgres 18 server and client. So this is the command. So installing with the server one, server and client. In the server two, I'll just install the client only. So 18 only. So server one is also done. Server two is also completed. Now check the PSQL version. So we are running with the Postgres 18.1. Okay. So now next we are going to initialize the PostgreSQL 18 database initdb. So the command is usr Postgres 18, then bin Postgres SQL 18 setup and initdb. So I'm working with the first server, just remember that. So we have done this one. Now let me enable the services. So enable and start the services for the Postgres 18. This will automatically, whenever the system will reboot, automatically the Postgres 18 service will start. For that, system ctl enable now and postgre SQL -18. So done. Now let me check the status. So here we'll write the status. Okay, enable this wrong command. So status. So there you can see there is active and running. So my Postgres is running properly. Now I'm going to set the password for the Postgres user. So su minus postgres and su minus Postgres user. Previously this was in the root user. Now this come using the Postgres user. So psql. So after that, I'm going to change the password. So command is the alter user and my user is postgres and with password there is a simple command is there and admin a small letter admin at the rate 123. I'm passing this password. So alter user is done. So we have set the password. Now exit. So we have exit from there. Now for the remote connection, we should change into the configuration file. So nano slash where left pg is equal. Then version is 18.18. We are running with the 1.8 latest version. Then data. Then postgres.config. So open this. Go down. Here you will get this one address. We are changing this one to expect. So control X, Y, and enter. So this is same. Now same path you will get the PG HBF file. So HBF file go to the end and host all and we have to provide the IP address. So IP address we can go for the full subnet or particular IP also. So I'm going to subnet 192.168 dot 136 dot last I'm giving the 0 slash 24 and finally we are giving the password method that is SHF 256 control X Y save. So now we are going to restart our service. Whenever we are changing in configuration just sometime we need to restart. So service is restarted. So service is restarted. We have done this thing. Now if firewall is enabled, then we are going to add the service Postgres. So after that reload and we're going to list of the services allowed in the my firewall. So here you can see there is a PostgreSQL is enabled and SSH because we are SSL we are already accessing. So we have enabled both the things. Okay. Now in the we can test the local connection with the PostgreSQL database. So command is that psql minus u postgres minus h localhost minus p and the port number 5432. This is the port number. So password is the admin at the rate 123. Just now we have set this password. So this line. So we have a password. We can able to access the databases. Okay. Now I'm going to create a database. So create database command is there. create database and our DB name is app DB and owner I'm giving app user. Okay. Create database owner is the role app user is okay. I have to create the user first. So we have logged in. Now I will create the user first. So we have created the user. Then we have created the DB and giving the ownership for the that user. Just now we created user and we have to grant the permission on the database to particular user. So this is done. I'm going to exit. So now I'm going to test the connection from, okay. So now I want to connect from the second server. So in this server, we'll write. Just now we created the app user, and this is the IP or address of the my first server, and port is the 5432 and database app TP. So enter, you will ask for the password for admin at the rate 123. So we are logged in. So we can see this one. We can the remote access is also enable. So important Postgres 18 paths on Rockin Linux. You can see there is a date for the data directory. This is the path. Okay, in where lab pg SQL 18 and data and main config. The configuration file inside the data. There is a Postgres SQL HBA file client authentication rule. There is a host based authentication file. There is a inside the same file service name postgres-18 and setup command is the user postgres-18 bin postgres-18 setup. So with this command only we have initialized the database. So useful commands of the and the admin. So start and stop the services systemctl start postgres 18 and there is a stop postgres 18 and restart the postgres 18. For enable the auto start whenever the system will reboot, for that we are running this command and view listening port. So you can run this, you will get a listening port. What are the listening ports are running there? You can get it. So these are the ports we are getting. Okay. So for the log, if you want to see the log, then you can run this command or you can directly call the log file. So there is a log running, deactivated the service, Postgres service, it in data server. So all the logs will appear here. So in this video, we have learned how to install Postgres 18 on Rocky Linux, step by step full process. So finally, we have the Postgres 18 installation is completed. So disclaimer is that all trademarks, logo names belong to their respective owners. This video made only for the education information purpose under the FAIR section 107 Copyright Act 1976. So hope this will help. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to follow, like, share and comment and follow me on YouTube, Instagram, LinkedIn, Facebook, WhatsApp channel and Telegram channel is there. Follow the process exactly shown in the video. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to Chirag tutorial. So hope this will help. Thank you for watching.